Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. ASUS 24G224. The 24G2 completes your gaming experience with a beautiful IPS panel, FreeSync premium technology, and a narrow border design offering minimal bezel distraction for optimal gameplay. This monitor allows you to play your favorite games at a fast 144 Hz refresh rate and a 1 ms response time. Playing games while encapsulated by world-class colors will make your gaming experience truly unforgettable. Equip yourself with twice the frame rate of other monitors and say goodbye to image stuttering and blurry motion. With a 144 Hz refresh rate, every frame is rendered sharply and in smooth succession, so you can line up your shots accurately and appreciate high-speed races in all their glory. IPS displays use advanced technology that gives you extra-wide viewing angles of 178/178 degrees, making it possible to view the display from almost any angle. IPS panel on the 24G2 gives you vibrant images with true-to-life colors, displaying over 126% of the sRGB gamut profile. ASUS 24G2 is ready for more than just gaming duty. A pixel response time of 1 ms means speed without the smear for an enhanced experience. Fast-moving action and dramatic transitions will be rendered smoothly without the effects of ghosting. Expand your view with a multiple monitor setup. The narrow border and frameless design offer minimal bezel distraction for the ultimate battle station. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Samsung Odyssey G7 Series 27-inch. Get your head in the game with Odyssey's 1000R panel, which matches the curvature of the human eye for maximum immersion and minimal eye strain. Make your gaming world more lifelike than ever before. Packing in 7 times the pixel density of Full HD, WQHD resolution boasts incredibly detailed, pin-sharp images. Experience a fuller view with more space to take in all the action. Dropping frames means dropping chances to put your enemy in the dirt. With NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro support, Odyssey matches every frame from your graphics card, so you're never caught short from moment to moment. Topping leaderboards never looked or felt so smooth. With Odyssey's rapid 240 Hz refresh rate, you have up to 4 times as many frames displayed on screen every second compared to a traditional screen. Odyssey's Infinity Core is a striking addition to any desktop, matching world firsts in technology with stunning visual design. A fraction of a second can be the difference between your destruction or your enemies. With Odyssey's gray-to-gray 1 ms response time, you can be sure that you're receiving information as fast as technologically possible. From deepest blacks to vivid colors, Samsung QLED ensures pixel-perfect picture quality with every frame. Utilizing quantum dot technology, Samsung QLED creates more vivid colors with 125% more color space compared to sRGB, ensuring the highest class of color reproduction. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. ASUS VG279Q27. The 27-inch Full HD 1920x1080 panel of TUF Gaming VG279Q1R delivers stunning visuals from wide 178 viewing angles. It also takes up very little desktop space and fits well in any setting. Its ultra-slim profile measures just 7.5 mm at its thinnest point, also feature a brand new turbo rim base that matches the perfect gaming setup. TUF Gaming VG279Q1R has a super-fast 144 Hz refresh rate, ensuring that even fast-paced games played at the highest visual settings look buttery smooth and completely lag-free. Get the upper hand in first-person shooters, racing, real-time strategy, and sports titles. ASUS exclusive extreme low-motion blur technology Achieves 1 ms MPRT to eliminate smearing and motion blur. It also makes moving objects appear even sharper, so gameplay is more fluid and responsive. ASUS Dynamic Shadow Boost software automatically brightens dark areas, making it easier to spot enemies hidden in shaded areas of the map. ASUS Ultra-Low Blue Light technology reduces the amount of potentially harmful blue light emitted by the display. 4 different filter settings are available to control the amount of blue light reduction. Flicker-free technology reduces flicker to minimize eye strain for improved comfort when you're embroiled in long gaming sessions. The ASUS exclusive Integrated Game Plus hotkey offers in-game enhancements that help you get more out of your game. This function is co-developed with input from pro gamers, allowing them to practice and improve their gaming skills. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. LG OLED C1 Series 48. Watch your content come to life in over 8 million pixels. Each pixel turns on and off independently, so you'll see your content with perfect black, over a billion rich colors, and infinite contrast for a viewing experience like no other. Picture and sound adjustment happen automatically with our best processor. The A9 Gen 4 AI processor 4K uses deep learning algorithms to detect scenes and genres to make your content look its best no matter what or when you're watching. Game Optimizer gives you easier access to all your game settings, while the latest HDMI allows for fast gaming speeds. Plus, you'll get low input lag and fast response times with auto low latency mode, and HKG. There's no need for an extra device. Just ask your TV for music, weather, news, your Amazon shopping list, and more. Plus, conveniently control your connected home and smart devices. Get breathtaking pictures and audio that makes you feel like you're in the action with Cinema HDR, Dolby Vision IQ, and Dolby Atmos. See movies exactly how directors intended with Filmmaker Mode. And with built-in access to Netflix, Prime Video, Apple TV+, Disney+, and LG channels, your favorite content is at your fingertips. Connecting high-fidelity speakers is easy and wireless with YSA connectivity. Enjoy high-quality and immersive surround sound. Up to 5.1 channel support. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Dell S2721Q 27-inch 4K UHD. The 3-sided ultra-thin bezel design in 4K UHD, 3840x 2160. Resolution lets you enjoy immersive viewing in incredible clarity and fine detail with 4 times the resolution of Full HD. Supports HDR content playback for a more lifelike visual experience. Modern, elegant design with a subtle textured pattern at the back of the monitor has its own unique look. It brings the feeling of a harmonious blend of great style and quality into every living space. The 3-sided ultra-thin bezel design in 4K UHD, 3840x 2160. Resolution lets you enjoy immersive viewing in incredible clarity and fine detail with 4 times the resolution of Full HD. Supports HDR content playback for a more lifelike visual experience. In-plane switching IPS technology together with 99% sRGB color coverage lets you see extraordinary colors across a wide viewing angle. Smooth, tear-free experience with AMD FreeSync technology. View multiple types of content from 2 different PC sources at once with picture-by-picture (PBP). This feature splits the screen into 2 sides, or picture-in-picture (PIP), enables you to watch 2 images at once by placing a small window inside the main window. Modern, elegant design with a subtle textured pattern at the back of the monitor has its own unique look. It brings the feeling of a harmonious blend of great style and quality into every living space. Built-in dual HDMI ports keep your devices always plugged in and let you effortlessly switch between streaming and console gaming. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.